Hello, everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the Employee Work Information Data Template. We'll begin with the instructions sheet. Here first we have Tab section, which provides an overview of all the templates included in this section. Next, we have the Definitions tab, which explains each template in more detail to help you better understand the purpose and structure of the data. Following that, we cover the Prerequisites. These outline the necessary requirements before entering data into the sheet. Then we move on to the template instructions. It's important that you read these carefully before you start filling out the data template. After that, please refer to the data entry instructions, which provide step-by-step guidance for accurately completing the template. Next, we have the Trigger section, which comes into play after filling out the worksheet. This section is used to validate the entries by highlighting any missing data or incorrectly formatted information. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the Data Template Overview video. Now let's move on to the Employee Work Information Template sheet and see how to add the data in each column. Ensure that job, position, grade, and employee personal details are added beforehand, as these are prerequisites for entering employee work details. Organization. Enter the name of the organization to which the employee belongs. Employee number, staff ID. This data is referred from the Employee Personal Information template. It is a unique identifier assigned to the employee by the organization. Start date. Mention the date the employee joined the organization. Use the system-required date format. End date. Optional. If the employee has left or is on a fixed-term contract, provide the end date. Position name. It specifies the position the employee is assigned to. The data for this column is referred from the Position Master worksheet. Grade name. Indicate the grade assigned to the employee. The data for this grade column is referred from the Grade Master worksheet. Job name. Mention the job title the employee performs. The data for the job column is referred from the Job Master worksheet. This is a non-mandatory field. If job title is not known, you may keep it empty. Employee work schedule. Define the employee's working pattern, for example, 5 days, 5.5 days, 6 days. This should reflect the official work schedule policy for the organization. Address. Fill in the organization's office address where the employee is assigned. Address line 1, address line 2, address line 3, city, state, zip code, country. Ensure all fields are accurately filled to reflect the correct work location. Supervisor details. Provide the employee ID of the employee's supervisor. Assignment status. Select one of the following statuses for the employee. Salary on hold. Confirmed, on probation. Suspended. Terminated. Department. Indicate the department the employee is currently working in. For example, HR, Finance, Operations. The Department Master data is referred from Department Master Data worksheet. Cost Center. Enter the cost center code or name to which the employee's costs are assigned, used for budgeting and financial reporting. Payroll name. Define the payroll scheme or payroll cycle under which the employee is paid. If the payroll name is not known, then add the name of organization followed with monthly payroll word to create a name. Fixed-term contract duration. Mention the duration of the contract, for example, 5, 6, etc. Fixed-term contract. Specify the unit of the contract, only if employment type is contract. For example, weekly, monthly, yearly. This is how you can add the data in the Employee Work Information Data template. That concludes today's session. Thank you for attending.